All right, here's a little update. We got the Carlyle Napa torque wrench, and it's the digital one. As you can tell, it's already been turned on, and I started having an issue with it. I don't know why. I thought it was the batteries. I replaced the batteries, and it's still doing it. No, it did not get dropped. I'm real careful with it. I keep it in the case. I try everything I can to keep it, moisture free and all that good stuff. But anyway, the problem is you go to torque something, and right after you torque, right away it wants to turn itself off. It's not supposed to. It's supposed to wait a little while before it tries to turn off. So it made me doubt the calibration. Everything else is still working as far as the menu. As you can tell, you can go through the different settings. Bought this in April of last year. I called the Napa store where I got it at, and I told them, hey, got this Carlyle torque wrench I bought there at the store. What can you tell me as far as, I'm having an issue with it. Do I have to bring it in? Y'all send it off, or how can this be dealt with? And the guy just told me, he goes, you have the receipt? And I go, yes, I do. And he said, well, tell you what, bring it in, and what we'll do is we'll replace it with a brand new one. Can't beat that. You can't beat that. And of course, it would be that way at almost any Napa store. I know sometimes some guys, they do complain about the independents sometimes don't want to honor the warranty of another store, but I've never experienced that, but I've heard of it. But who knows? This one right here, like I said, I went right back to the original store. They're gonna go ahead and take care of it. No questions asked, no nothing. Just you got the receipt. It's within a year. Bring it in. We'll get you another one, and we'll move on. So that's what we're doing. Thought I'd give the old Napa a little credit for outstanding customer service. We pay good money for our tools, and one thing I hate is when you get the runaround, the circle jerk. You know what I mean? That is ridiculous. I know, for example, this was a snap-on. I've seen a lot of guys, they'll take them in, and the first thing they tell them is, oh, well, we got to send it off to get fixed. You pay over $500 for a torque wrench, and you have a problem with it, especially if it's like within a few weeks, and they got to go send it off to get it fixed. But anyway, I'm thinking about buying a digital torque wrench with angles from one of the big tool trucks. I don't know yet, or I might just go ahead and buy it myself direct through Amazon. But when you have a problem like this, I always like to be able to hand it to someone face to face, and they take care of it. And to me, sometimes that's worth paying the extra money versus you have to mail it off, and just, I don't know. It's just the way I'm wired, I guess. I'm all about one-on-one, eyeball to eyeball. You can't take care of me, that's fine. I move on, but our business is done, and I'll never do business with you again. Anyway, like, subscribe. Again, Napa, no questions asked. Got the receipt, bring it in, we'll get you another one. Yeah, Napa. Like I keep telling you guys, they're everywhere. They're in every little town, and good tool source. I know I go in there quite a bit.